Hey team, it's Tim. I remade SkyBlock as a Java data pack and a Bedrock add-on. I wanted to share with you what that looks like and some of the lessons I learned. First, let's take a look at the original HyPixel SkyBlock. We are met with a welcome message, says to have fun, and our first objective is to break a log. How do we break a log? Well, I guess we just punch it. We don't have anything else. Alright, once we punch the log, we get a new objective right away. So let's go ahead and pause there and take a look at the Java edition data pack and resource pack. It's a map world save. And we have the same welcome message, and the objective is announced this time. I said, hey, you should break a log. And so that's what we're going to go ahead and do over here. And as soon as I break the log, I get credit for the achievement. I'm going to go ahead and pick it up so that it doesn't time out, although when I tab over, the world shouldn't continue since it's single player. I packaged up the Bedrock edition as a template, so that means it works on realms too. I've been playing this with my kids and we've been having lots of fun. The map was ported using Amulet, which is a Python app that allows me to port my Java app or my Java maps to Bedrock. Okay, so first let's get that log. Credit is given when it is within range of the player. I can't pick the scoreboard advancement like I can in Java, but there's always a workaround. So next we need to create a workbench, and then I'll repeat the same process in the Java edition. We'll take one log into 4 planks, takes one workbench. The scoreboard is used to track the advancement for crafting the workbench, and over in Bedrock, be 1, 2, 4, 1. A little bit of a tongue twister. Then I'll get credit only when the item is held. There's no advancements in Bedrock. Okay, so objective 3 is crafting the wooden pickaxe. For that, I'm going to need to gather some lumber. This is what I was born to do. At least, it's what I'm dressed to do. A HyPixel crafting table takes some getting used to, and it basically forced me to memorize more recipes. The next objective starts once I crafted the pickaxe. It starts right away. And I'll go ahead and place down the workbench and punch away a few feelings. It really gives you time to focus on what you're doing with your life. And with that lumber gathered, we'll turn it into a few more wood planks, some planks into sticks, and all of that into a new pickaxe. That about does it for the Java side of things. The next objective gets tracked by the crafting of the pickaxe. Lather, rinse, and repeat over on the Bedrock side of things. Gonna punch some trees and gather some lumber. Gather that lumber, turn it into, well, I guess turn the logs into lumber, and then the lumber into sticks, and our third and final pickaxe. And just like before, credit is only given when the player holds the item, not when they craft it. Now, let's go see about this Jerry fella. The quickest, dirtiest way across is with dirt. We need 15 blocks to get across. And once we're across, we can talk to Jerry. And when we click on him, it starts some NPC dialogue. He instructs us that, hey, you should go use that teleporter over there, which takes you to the hub island, where there's other players and lots of other things to do. So let's go ahead and take a look over at the Java side, the data pack, I mean, and we'll gather some dirt for this one as well. The same 15 blocks and the same bridge, and when we talk to Jerry this time, he'll just do nothing. I could trigger the NPC dialogue. I figured that out in another data pack, but I haven't gotten around to it. So once more for Bedrock, and this time I'll do the same land bridge. 15 dirt blocks gets us across. And I sped up the footage by 4 just to get us across quickly with all the dirt stuff. Jerry doesn't do anything right now. I could probably figure that out. The portals for both Bedrock and Java data pack go to the Nether. SkyBlock has workers, they're called minions, that gather for you. It's an AFK mechanics while you're not playing, they're gathering materials. And down below here is a cave with helpful materials. And the items inside are essential for your survival. This is survival mode after all. And I made the minion in the Java pack by posing an armor stand. There's a small cave underneath as well, and you can make a cobblestone generator and infinite water. Just check out my Minecraft Minute Shorts to see how that's done. Making the minion in Bedrock was pretty tricky. There's no small armor stand, so I had to make a custom entity for that. And then for the player head, I had to make a custom helmet. When I converted the map with Amulet, I actually had to go back and replace the chest and the items in it. And that's the progress report for now. Please check the description for the links. I'll include the links for the HyPixel server, the Java data pack, and the Bedrock add-on. All of the code I wrote is free and open source, and I would be happy to entertain any questions or comments you have about it. For this and more projects, please visit timothycope.com. Thank you for watching, I really appreciate it.